你好，学汉语很简单和特别好玩，是因为汉语有逻辑又直截了当的语言。I just bought a flying machine ticket using the electricity brain. Why did you buy a flying machine ticket? The fire car is not more cheap. The fire car is more cheap, but sitting high iron is more fast. And we can get to the high iron station using the ground iron, of course. You have a smoke? No, I don't blow smoke, so you probably don't have a fire machine. I booked a very slow wave liquor store. You know I want to eat your tofu. I hope they have good drink red grapes alcohol. This guy knows. Did you pay with microletter? No, I used current gold. Want, don't want. Buy, not buy. I heard he has a new girlfriend. Not anymore. He wears green hat. She's going to be a leftover woman. Yes, but she's spicy. A spicy leftover. Did you hear that wood melon can enhance your breast? But it will just attract more old taxi drivers. You better just eat West melon. You should also eat cow oil fruit. I love cow oil fruit ice cream. Good eat, good eat. Middle country has bear cats. Bear cats and striped horses have the same colors. But I want to go to the beautiful country. Or maybe grape tooth. Beautiful old brother, I want to point dish. Do you have white blessing? How is your Italian noodles? Horse, horse, tiger, tiger? I booked a very slow wave